Dada Go is getting ready for some fishing. Mya Go and RTÉjr are going to play on the swing. Oh no! What's this?
Dada, look! Our swing is broken.
Oh no, that must have been from the storm last night, Mya.
Can you fix it for us?
I don't think so, Emily. Let me take a look. Oh, it's snapped right in two.
Aww.
Why don't you both come fishing with me and Henry Fix instead? It'll be fun. You can even make your own fishing rod.
What will we make it out of?
We can make it out of that branch that fell off the tree. As the old saying goes, never refuse to reuse. Hand me that string, will you, Emily? That'll do the job. Now, you can share that one.
What are you going to use, Dada?
I'll be bringing this. I call it the Fisher King. Isn't it a beauty? It's hand-carved. Henry Fix is going to be very impressed when he sees it. I might even let him use it if he's lucky.
Can you come too, Mama?
I'm afraid I have to stay here with Sammy, Mya. You girls will have lots of fun fishing, though. And when you come back, I'll have some fish fingers for you.
No need, Mama. We'll be dining on fresh fish straight from the stream this evening.
Sounds delicious, Dada. Well, have fun, everyone.
Look, it's Henry Fix getting ready for a spot of fishing.
Hello, Dada Go. Hello, girls. What a nice surprise. What's that, Henry? This is the Scavenger. It's the most futuristic fishing rod ever made. It has 4 fishing lines and makes noises that only fish can hear. It can also tell you all about the fish it's just caught on this little screen.
Wow.
What have you brought? Oh, this. Oh, it's just an old rod I had lying about. Whoa there, Scavenger. Whoa.
Time to catch some fish.
Come on, you lot. The fish won't catch themselves. Right, girls, let's get set up.
Dada Go is casting the other fishing lines.
So, what's next, Dada?
Well, Mya, we just have to wait now. Well, I must say, conditions are really perfect.
For what, Henry?
For homemade lemonade and jam sandwiches, of course. Here's the lemonade, and the sandwiches should be in one of those boxes there.
This one? Ew! Worms!
Oh, sorry, girls. Wrong container. That's the food for the fishes.
Time for everyone to have a quick snack.
Oh, yummy! Dada, are we going to catch 100 fish today?
Well, I don't think we'll catch 100, maybe 2 or 3, hopefully. But we need to be patient, as it'll take time.
What happens if we catch a shark?
Don't worry, Emily. There's no sharks, but we do get other kinds of visitors from time to time. See?
Oh, can we feed the ducks?
Of course. Let me go to my van and get you some bread.
It looks like something is pulling at the fishing line.
Dada, the scavenger moved.
Oh, my goodness. Henry's caught something.
Hold on tight, Dada Go. It looks like a big one. Don't let it pull you in. Oh, dear. Too late.
Oh, no, what's happened? The scavenger got pulled in.
Maybe it was sharks.
Oh, no. There goes another one.
Oh, no! Dada! Your fishing rods! Something is pulling at our fishing rods.
All right, everyone, hang on to me.
The Doggy Go. We need you to help, too. Oh, no. It looks like the fishing lines have got tangled up in something.
It's a big tire.
Well, that's about the strangest thing I've ever caught. Oh, how's your fishing rod, Dada Go? It snapped in 2.
Dada, I think I have an idea.
What's that, Mya? One new tree swing coming up, Mya. Excellent idea, Mya. As I always say, never refuse to reuse.
Here come Mama and Sammy Go to find out how everyone got on.
So did you catch anything?
Not exactly. Not the right weather for it, I think.
I see. So, is anyone interested in having those fish fingers after all?
Yes, please.
Mya Go is helping Grandpa Go in the garden.
All plants need to grow big and strong is food from the soil, sun,
And they need lots of water, don't they, Grandpa?
Yes, and a good song now and then. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum.
I didn't know flowers need music to grow.
Well, I like to sing to my flowers, don't I, gang? La, 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 la.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
La, 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 la. La, 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 la.
I'll just close this window. It's a bit, breezy.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Ha ha! A standing ovation. Oh, flowers, you are too kind. We have a very important job to do today, Maya.
Grandpa, why are we whispering?
Today, we are going to plant some cabbage plants in my vegetable patch for Grandma's birthday. But it's a top-secret surprise.
Cabbage? As a birthday present? That will be a surprise.
Grandma loves homegrown cabbage. It's her favourite. I'm going to plant these cabbage plants with my other veggies right over... Oh, my. I think we have some hungry visitors.
Snails! They have eaten all your vegetables, Grandpa.
I think they were very hungry.
We can't plant Grandma's birthday cabbage here. Those greedy snails will eat it all.
Shoo! Shoo! Off you go now. On your way. Toodaloo.
Shoo! Shoo!
I have an idea.
That's not for you.
It looks like Maya has an idea too.
Come on, snails. Would you like to taste this delicious lettuce leaf? You're under arrest, Snail. I'm sending you to snail jail for munching vegetables that aren't yours. And you, where do you think you're going?
Oh, I think these guys are in trouble.
There, I'm afraid you'll have to stay here in snail jail until you learn not to eat veggies that aren't yours. Look, Grandpa, I've put the snails in snail jail.
I think you have a few jailbreakers.
Oh, no! They're escaping! Stop! Go back!
I don't think they want to go back to snail jail.
But if I set them free, they'll eat Grandma's birthday cabbage.
I may have another solution to our snail situation.
Eggshells?
In my gardening book, it says that snails don't like them.
It worked! Come on, snails. I know just the place for you.
You know, Maya, the snails didn't mean to steal the lettuce. They didn't know who owned it.
Oh, you were just hungry. Maybe you shouldn't go to snail jail. But I think you'll like my new snail hotel. You can stay here for as long as you like, and I'll make sure there's plenty for you to nibble on. Dinner is served.
Oh, that's the perfect place for hungry snails to visit. Oh, goodness me.
I think you're hungry, too.
I'm making your favorite, Maya. Pea soup with fresh peas from Grandpa's veggie patch.
Yum.
It's my favorite, too.
Don't forget to wash those green fingers before tea.
Grandma, what's your favorite soup?
Mine? Cabbage. I just love cabbage. When are you going to grow me some, Grandpa Go?
Oh, yes, I must get around to that. It's on the top of my to-do list.
I think Grandma will love her birthday surprise.
I hope so. Thanks for all your help, Maya.
Wait! We've just forgotten one thing.
We have?
They need a quick song.
Well, in that case...
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Today, Maya and her class are learning lots about archaeology from Professor Dusty Bones at the Everyday Museum.
And so, archaeology is the study of buried things from long ago. If we explore the ground below us, we can learn a lot about the past.
Digging for buried things? That sounds fun. Doggy Go loves to dig for bones.
So do I. That's why I'm an archaeologist. When we dig, we often find buried artifacts from the past, like these dinosaur bones. As you can see, my job can be very exciting.
Wow.
And we've reassembled the Brontosaurus bones we found over here.
Wow. That Brontosaurus must have taken ages to put back together.
Well, not quite an age, but it did take a while.
Ah, Terry drives here, and it's time to go.
Well, that's all we have time for today, I'm afraid.
Aww.
The class trip is over, but it's clear Maya, Ruby, and Tommy don't want it to be.
Come along, children.
It seems like everyone has caught the digging bug today. Dadigo is putting up a new fence.
Now, where to start digging, Professor Ruby? Let's see, Professor Maya.
Doggy-Go is, helping.
No, Doggy Go! Don't dig up the fence post.
There's nothing Doggy-Go loves more than to dig holes and bury things.
That dog would bury his own tail if it wasn't attached.
But when Doggy-Go starts to dig, well, he just can't stop.
A hammer! That's what I need. Now, where did I put it?
While Dadigo looks for his hammer, Doggy-Go will keep digging.
Doggy Go keeps digging. There'll be none left for us to do. Maybe he'll be the world's first doggy archaeologist. Ready to dig? Ready! Watch out! Roller skate! I wonder where the other one is.
Eureka!
I found something. Me too. I think I found a pirate coin. That's not a pirate coin, Maya. It's something better. It is? Yes, it's an old bottle cap. Oh. And this looks like a twig. Yes, definitely a twig. I wonder what else is buried here. Back to digging, team.
It looks like a new Doggy-Go archaeologist has joined the dig.
Hey!
Could Doggy-Go have made an ancient discovery?
What have you got there, Doggy Go? A dinosaur bone? In my garden? No way! Dada, come look! We found a dinosaur bone. Huh?
I think you found what Doggy Go's been looking for. His chew toy.
Oh. Go get it, boy.
Fetch, Doggy-Go, fetch! What else has Doggy-Go found buried in that hole?
Maybe this is a...
Hammer! I was wondering where my hammer was. Oh, looks like there's something else in there.
Oh, what could it be?
Finally, an ancient artifact.
An ancient roller skate?
Well, I have been looking for this missing roller skate for a long time.
Haha, no rest for Doggy-Go.
And I may not have found any dinosaur bones, but I have my very own Digosaurus.
Will that dog ever stop digging?
Not again, Doggy Go.